If you want to use voice typing on a Redmi 15, then first of all we can check if it's enabled. So we're gonna go to settings, scroll all the way down, and go to additional settings. Then open languages and input, go to manage keyboards, and choose Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use. Over here you should be able to find voice typing, and you want to make sure that it is enabled, and also in addition to that you can enable faster voice typing if you want to. So now we can open the keyboard, and there we go. So now in order to use voice typing, you need to tap on this microphone on the right side over here. So if you tap over here, for the first time you will also need to grant permission. So let's choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text. And there we go. And as you can see, once you are done with your sentence, the microphone is disabled. But in case it doesn't end, it doesn't stop listening, then of course you can tap on the microphone again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.